Number 1.
1991 Dodge D250, price $8,800, with only 70,000 miles on the odometer. It is powered by a 5.9L V8 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission, delivering both reliability and strength. The truck sports a green exterior with a beige interior, offering a classic and clean look. The Dodge runs and drives exceptionally well, currently used as a daily driver. A brand new transmission and full tune-up were recently completed by Merton's Auto Shop in Burlington, ensuring it is ready for the road with zero issues. It has primarily been used to tow a hunting camper, performing the task with ease. The El Dorado camper included in the package is equipped with both air conditioning and heating, and all systems are fully operational. It was last set up and used during the past winter and remains in good working condition. The seller is offering the truck and camper separately or together as a package deal. The truck is priced at $6,300, while the camper is listed at $2,500.
Number 2.
1992 Ford F-150, price $5,800, equipped with a reliable 5.0L V8 engine, a power plant well known for its durability and long life. The truck shows 172,000 miles and is supported by a solid frame, making it a dependable choice for work or local driving around town. Recently, the current owner invested $1,200 in a full tune-up along with a brand new oil pan gasket, and receipts are available for reference. For added peace of mind, the mechanic who performed the work can be contacted directly. While it's an older truck, the engine runs strong and solid, giving the confidence that it could handle longer trips if needed. The interior has been redone and is clean throughout, while the tires and rims are in excellent condition. A couple of minor issues remain. The driver's window requires a new motor, and the radio is missing.
Number 3.
1994 Chevrolet 2500, price $6,700, equipped with a 350L V8 paired to an automatic transmission. Finished in silver with a striking red interior, it features dual captain seats with armrests, power windows, power locks, a power driver's seat, cruise control, tilt wheel, and an AM/FM cassette radio. The truck also offers both air conditioning and strong heat, ensuring comfort in all seasons. The cloth interior remains in immaculate condition for its age, with no rips or blemishes, reflecting the careful upkeep and regular maintenance it has received. Synthetic oil has been consistently used for oil changes, and the truck has always been fitted with quality tires and reliable brakes. On the road, it runs amazingly well, highway ready with a solid body that shows only a few scratches and some typical rocker rust, though nothing severe. The frame is solid, and the truck has stayed within the same family since new. Hit that like button if classic trucks make your heart race. Want to help us keep these legends on the road? Drop a super thanks, every bit counts. And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for more badass builds and barn finds.
Number 4.
1988 Chevrolet 2500, price $10,000, powered by a 350 small block engine paired with an automatic transmission. This truck runs on gasoline and delivers both strength and reliability. Finished in a striking blue exterior with a matching blue interior, it received new paint and fresh carpet in 2022, giving it a clean and updated look inside and out. The truck was fitted with a new short block, and just a few thousand miles later, it received a new transmission, ensuring smooth performance for years to come. Additional upgrades include long tube cooker headers connected to a true dual exhaust system, enhancing both power and sound. Designed with practicality in mind, it also features a fifth-wheel setup and modern LED tow mirrors, making it an ideal choice for hauling and towing with confidence.
Number 5.
2000 GMC Sierra 2500, price $9,200, finished in a striking gold exterior paired with a clean gray interior. The truck runs on gasoline and is powered by the strong and reliable 6.0L V8 Vortec engine. The truck starts right up, drives strong, and remains mechanically sound with plenty of life left. The paint is still shiny and well kept, with no major dents, while the fully loaded leather interior is in excellent condition, showing that it has been owned by a non-smoker with no pets. During the current ownership, a number of important mechanical services have been completed, including the replacement of the timing chain tensioner, a new water pump, new hoses and belts, as well as fresh spark plugs and ignition coils. All fluids and filters, oil, coolant, transmission, and more were recently replaced. The result is a smooth-running truck with no leaks and no overheating, backed by service records from the local dealership.
Number 6.
1989 GMC 2500, price $10,000. This truck shows 120,000 miles on the odometer and is equipped with an automatic transmission. The truck is finished in a classic brown exterior paired with a tan interior, giving it a timeless look. Under the hood, it runs on gasoline with a dependable 350 V8 engine, and as a 2WD model, it offers straightforward, reliable driving. Comfort features include cruise control and factory air conditioning, although the AC will need to be recharged to work at its best. Overall, the truck has been kept in very clean condition and has received many new parts over time, showing clear signs of care and maintenance.
Number 7.
1963 Chevrolet 1500, price $10,000. It comes with an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline, powered by a reliable 305 engine. The truck features a black exterior paired with a gray interior, giving it a timeless look. Built as a short bed, 2WD model, it has been lowered to achieve a more aggressive stance on the road.
Power steering adds to the ease of handling, making it comfortable to drive despite its age.
While the truck runs and drives well, it's not a fully restored vehicle and would benefit from a little extra care and attention to bring out its full potential. Overall, it's a solid classic pickup with a clean Virginia title that's ready for its next owner to enjoy.
Number 8.
1981 Chevrolet 2500, price $10,000. It comes with an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline, offering smooth and dependable performance. The exterior is finished in blue, paired with a matching interior that retains its vintage charm. The owner recently invested in a brand new gas tank and sending unit, as well as a very solid bed sourced from Tennessee, giving the truck a refreshed and solid foundation. For a vehicle that has spent its life in Indiana, it shows only very minor rust, which makes it a rare find in this condition. Power comes from a dependable 350 engine paired with a 700 R4 transmission, providing both strength and durability. To enhance its stance and capability, the truck is equipped with a 6-inch lift, 35-inch tires, and locking hubs, making it not only eye-catching on the road but also well prepared for off-road adventures.
Number 9.
1970 Chevrolet 2500, price $8,000, clean and well-kept classic pickup with 116,000 miles. Finished in green with a matching interior, it is powered by a rebuilt 350 engine and paired with a TH350 3-speed automatic transmission in a two-wheel drive setup. It features a Holley 600 carburetor, dual exhaust with glass packs, aftermarket rims and tires with excellent tread, and a wood-redone box that is both durable and attractive. The truck shows minimal rust and comes with new valve cover gaskets, a spare wheel, and a replacement power steering hose. While the blinkers are not working, it remains a solid and eye-catching classic.
Number 10.
1981 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,000. The truck is a short bed pickup that presents itself with a crisp white exterior paired with a clean black interior, giving it a timeless and classic look. Powered by a built 355 engine, it not only sounds impressive but also delivers the kind of performance enthusiasts look for. The power is backed by a reliable turbo 350 automatic transmission, ensuring smooth and confident shifting on the road. Running on gasoline, this truck has been well cared for and continues to start, drive, and handle exceptionally well. With very little rust and everything in proper working order, it's a solid example of a classic Chevy that blends style, durability, and performance.